to be a speed test between the OnePlus 7T versus the Xiaomi Mi 9. Now the OnePlus 7T, this one has the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, 8 gigs of RAM on Android 10, latest version of the Oxygen OS overlay. Xiaomi Mi 9, this one has the Snapdragon 855 Non-Plus processor, 6 gigs of RAM, Android 10 with its latest version of the MIUI 11 overlay. This should be a pretty interesting test. Can't wait to see the results. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Let's see which one will turn on faster. Powered by Android, as you can see. Let's check it out. Oh, Mi 9 booting up hella fast. And phone is starting on the 7T. As you can see. And we are in. All right, let's go ahead and swipe over to where all the apps are that I'm going to use for this speed test. And I'm going to go like this to show that no recent items on the Xiaomi Mi 9 and no recent items also on the OnePlus 7T. As you can see, all apps, caches, the browsers have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, 7T. Messages. Draw. The camera. We'll go ahead and do it like this. You see the viewfinder. And we'll give that to the 7T. All right, let's go ahead and start up the clock. Go. And what is this? No thanks on that. And we'll go to the stopwatch on both. Let that run in the background. And then we do have Chrome on both. Okay, let's go ahead and do a search for, I don't know. Let's do a search for Xiaomi. I spelled that right? Nope. There we go. There you go, got that right. And then, let's see. Why is this different? No, it's not. Here it is. Pretty fast, as you can see. And what is this? It said Note 10 or something like that before. Okay, go. Click on that one. So you can see very similar performance really on both. Yeah, the pinch to zoom on the 7T, because of its 90Hz display, buttery smooth. Whereas the Mi 9, this just kind of feels like a regular phone. So anyway, we'll go ahead and go to Gsm Arena. Whoops. There we go. GSM. Okay, go. Let's check it out. Ooh, looks like the Mi 9 is out in front a little bit. Okay, we'll click on that one. Oh, looks like the 7T with the comeback there a little bit. Can't pinch to zoom on this. That's all right. We'll go to the desktop version. Whoops, missed touch. Okay, what is going on? Oh, there's like an ad right there. That's why. Ah. Oh well. Pinch to zoom here. Yeah, way smoother on the 7T. Let's see, let's click on just one more. We'll click on, what is this? Top 10 trending phones. We'll click on that. I wonder if there are razors on here. Okay, you can see a list of phones here. Let's pinch a little bit. Go check them out. All right, we'll just leave it there. Calculator. Identical performance. And then we do have the Play Store. Ooh, a little bit faster on the left. We'll click on this. We'll click on the TikTok. And let's go ahead and install this app. Actually, change my mind. Maybe next time. Amazon. Don't know what that was. It's okay, take that with a grain of salt. Okay, eBay. little bit faster on the 7T. There you go. And then we'll click on this, what is this? Speaker. We'll just leave it there. Mario Run. Check out some games. Loading on both. And let's see. A little bit faster on the 7T. And again, faster on the 7T, as you can see. Temple Run 2. Spooky Ridge. And then this one had to download some stuff. So you can take this one with a grain of salt. Matter of fact, let's do this one again for fairness, because I wanna see. I want to see. All right, we'll do that again. Hopefully no download. There you go. Nice and even. Oh! All right, we'll let this play out a little bit. See which one is faster. A little bit faster on the left, and what is this? Don't ask again, whatever that was. We'll tap to play. And then Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the 7T. Logging in now on the Mi 9. Oh! Yeah, the 7T is gonna take this one. And we'll give the win to the OnePlus on this. As you can see. And then we do have the Asphalt 9. We'll check this one out. Game Loft. Yeah, it looks like the 7T is out in front here. Okay, Mi 9, what are you doing? And what is going on with the Mi 9? Okay, we'll give the emphatic win to the 7T. And then what is going on with the Mi here? It's like stuck or something. No, not really, it's still, you can see the progress there. Here we go. Okay. PUBG again, and then we'll see which one's faster. Go. Let's see which one is quicker on this time around. PUBG. Hearing noise from the 7T. Okay, loading on both right now. I think the 7T's out in front. Yup. And we'll give the win to the 7T on this one. Just a little bit faster. And then what is all this? Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of this. Gosh, too much stuff on the... There we go. Photoshop Express. Ooh, Dead Heat. We'll go ahead and click on this one. And then we're gonna go ahead and choose white balance on both. And then cloudy. We'll jack this filter up all the way. And then we'll click on this. All right, let's see which one saves this to the gallery faster. Go. Ooh, give the win to the 7T, but not that big of a difference, really. Twitter, 7T, IG, 7T again, WhatsApp, ooh, tie. And finally, Snapchat, 7T. Let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. I like how the My UI does the app switching here. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead and just run through these apps again, and we'll check it out. See if any lags or anything weird, any refreshes or anything like that. So far, so good so far. Okay, a little bit of a lag there on the right, but no big deal. And then we do have the Asphalt 9. And what is this? I don't think, yeah, that's not a full reload. That's just some sort of refresh. And then we do have the Angry Birds. And both phones, oh, there you go. A little bit faster on the left, but very similar really. Ooh, nice and quick on this one. And then we do have the Mario Run. Oh, and we have a reload here on the right, as you can see. Okay, so that's one reload on the right. Okay, a little bit faster on the eBay on the left, Amazon. And again, a little bit faster on the left. And what happened here? It just came back. Okay, looks like we have a reload on the Amazon. Okay, so that's 2 reloads on the Mi 9. So you can see 8 gigs of RAM versus 6 gigs. So seeing a little bit of a difference there. Okay, calculator, faster on the left again. And then faster on, well, not really. About the same on the browser. The clock, and no thanks on that, still running the stopwatch. And we do have the camera. Go ahead and do it like this. There you go, a little bit faster on the 7T. Messages, about the same. And finally, the phone app. A little bit faster on the 7T. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.